Firstly, I am introduce myself Kiran Shinde. Today now I am discussing about data types. What is mean by data types? Data type is size of values. Specify the size and types of values that can be stored in the variable. A data type is a classification of data type which tells a compiler interpreter how to programmer intends to use the data. Most of the programming language supports various types of data, such as boolean, character, byte, short, integer, double, float, character, and that's it. Mm, there are two types of data types. First one is primitive data types, and second one is non-primitive data types. In primitive data types, there are eight data types. First one is that Boolean data types. Boolean data types is usually to store only two values. Data types remaining logical, true or false. Now, the size of the Boolean data type is 1 bit, and second one is the character data type. Character data type that is used to store only one character. The size of the character data type is 2 bytes. 2 bytes, and third one is the data type is a byte data type. Byte data type is the example of the primitive data type that can be stored in the default size the 1 byte. And byte data type is a range lies between -127 to 128. It means that the maximum size or minimum size of the -128 and maximum size of the 128. And fourth one is the data type is the short data type. So that the size of the short data type is the short is 2 bytes. The values of lies the range of the lies between -32,768 to plus 32 768. It means that minimum size of the -32,768 and maximum size is 32,768. And fifth one is integer data type. Integer data type is data type can be stored a whole number. The size of integer data type is 4 bytes. And sixth is data type is long data type. Long data type is the size of the long data type is 8 bytes. And float data float data type. Float data size of the float data type is 4 byte. And last one is double data type. Double data type the size of the double data type is 8 bytes. Non-primitive data type. In non-primitive data types, there are four data types. First one is array, string, interface, and class. Now I am explain firstly array. Array is the collection of data. The array is the collection of that can be stored in the continuous location memory. It means that we can store more than one value in a variable. And the second one is the string. String is the collection of the character. It always ends with null character. And third one is the interface and class. That's it. Thank you.